good morning of class 10 students. Okay, this is the second video of the revision class section number 1. Okay, and now the coming Saturday there will be tests. Okay, please prepare well. Okay, in this video today I will explain about some important types of chemical reactions. Okay, last time I have explained about this combination reactions. Okay, today again I will explain about the decomposition reactions. Okay, please prepare well. Now look here, before start explaining this video, please take out your notebook, pen, pencils, okay, to copy down the important portions. Okay, shall I start? Right. Now number 2 types of chemical reaction is known as decomposition reaction. Okay, what is meant by decomposition reaction? The another name of decomposition reaction is also known as splitting. Okay, for breaking or for splitting we need one agent, right? For cutting the apple we need what? One knife, right? Like this, for breaking the stone we need a hammer, right? Like this, for breaking any kinds of this compound, it needs one of the agent. Don't forget. Okay, now I will write the first definition. What is decomposition reactions? Okay, when a reactant okay splits in when a reactant splits into two or more products. Okay, when a reactant split into 2 or more products, then this type of reactant is called decomposition reaction. Okay, when a reactant, it needs only single reactants. Okay, when a single reactant is split into 2 or more products. Okay, when a single reactant is split into 2 or more products, then this type of reaction is known as the decomposition reaction. And the most important thing is, in decomposition reaction, okay, one agent is needed, okay, to perform to split the reactants. Okay, now look here, in any kinds of the decomposition reaction, one agent is required. Okay, without this agent, decomposition reaction will not be happened. Okay, that is why the decomposition reaction always needed one agent to split up, to break down these reactants. Okay, now such agents are what are they? It may be heat, it may be sunlight, or it may be what? Electricity. Okay, agents will be heat, agents will be sunlight, or agents will be electricity. Okay, this out of these 3, okay, one is required to perform the decomposition reactions. Right, let's copy down this first part. Okay, that okay. Next, I will give the examples of the decomposition reactions. Okay. Decomposition reaction. Decomposition reactions, okay, done by the presence of say, I will give the example first one for the heat. This is one of the most important, okay. I will give the example, that is the calcium carbonate. Right, calcium carbonate, that is the limestone, okay. On heating this calcium carbonate, it is split into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide gas. For breaking this calcium carbonate into carbon dioxide, this calcium oxide and the carbon dioxide, it needs the heat energy, okay, heating. After heating only, this calcium carbonate will be splitting into the calcium oxide and the carbon dioxide gas. Right, this is what calcium carbonate, okay. This is what calcium oxide. This is carbon dioxide. What is the common name of this calcium carbonate? Tell me. Yes, limestone. Okay, calcium oxide, quicklime. Okay, they are all balanced, right? How many? Calcium 1 in the left side, calcium 1 in the right side. Carbon 1 in the left side, carbon 1 in the right side. Okay. Oxygen 3 in the left side, oxygen 1 plus 2, 3 in the right side. Okay. This is the balanced chemical equation. Okay. Please copy down. This reaction is done due to the presence of what? Heat. Don't forget. Okay. Then don't forget this part, okay. C should be capital, A should be small, C should be capital, O should be capital, and 3 will be downward, okay. In here, C should be capital, A should be small, O should be capitals, okay. C capital, O capital, 2 in the downward, okay. And don't forget, after writing this chemical equation, don't forget to write the name of this compound, right? Now I am writing here, the name of the compound is calcium carbonate, calcium oxide, carbon dioxide, right? Done? Okay. Next, number 2 is the sunlight. Decomposition reaction, okay, done by the presence of sunlight. Number 2. Sunlight. Okay, I will give the example. Look here, silver chloride, AgCl. This is a solid in state. S means solid in state. Now, after passing the sunlight, or when we expose the silver chloride, okay, on the sun, okay, towards the sun, what will happen? Now, it form silver metals and chlorine gas, right? Okay, just 1 minute. See, is it balanced or not? Count. Ag1, Ag1, Cl1, Cl2. This is not balanced, right? This is 2, this is 1, right? And in here, this is the odd number. Then what shall we do first? We multiply by 2, that is the even number. If we multiply 2 in here, not only for the chlorine, okay, it becomes 2 not only for the chlorine, but silver also becomes 2, okay. Then for balancing the silver, we need to put 2 in here, Right. Now this is the balanced chemical equation. Now this is what silver chloride, white powder. Okay. Next, this is the silver metal. This is the chlorine gas. You will get the this evolution of this chlorine gas. How can you understand? That is due to the smell of this one chlorine gas. What is the smell of the chlorine gas? That is the smell of, it produces a smell of bleaching powder. Okay. It produces smells of bleaching powder. When we expose this silver chloride, okay, to the sun, okay, towards the sunlight, after 10 or 15 minutes, the white color of this silver chloride will be turned into the silver color. Okay, along with it produces the smells of the bleaching powder. We can understand that from this aspect. We can understand that what this silver chloride is decomposes into silver metals and the chlorine gas. Okay, this is the number 2 examples. Okay, that is for sunlight. Please copy down. Same thing in here also. AgCl silver chloride, Ag silver, Cl2 chlorine gas. Now A capital G small, C capital L small. Ag, A capital G small, C capital L small. Okay. Then okay. Next is the number 3. Number 3 will be the electricity. Electricity. Example, water. We all know that water is made up of the hydrogen and oxygen gas, right? Now this water will be break down, that is splitting into what? Hydrogen and oxygen, okay, in presence of electric current or electricity or electrical spark. Look here, this is the electricity or electrical spark. After passing the electric current to this water, what will happen? This water will be break down into hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. Right, hydrogen and oxygen gas. Now look here, is it balanced? No. Same thing, we multiply 2 in here and 2 in here. After that only it also balanced. Okay. Now look here, this water is splitting into hydrogen and oxygen gas. Okay, by using this electric current. Okay, and now for performing any kinds of decomposition reaction, we all know that we need one agent. What agent is using for breaking of this water into hydrogen and oxygen? Electricity. Right. Look here. This is what? Water. This is what? Hydrogen gas. This is what? Oxygen gas. Okay. Now this all the balance. Okay. And for this experiment, for experiment of this equation, please consult your NCERT textbook activity number. Activity there is 1.7. Okay. NCERT activity 1. NCERT textbook activity 1.7. Okay. In that experiment, we already seen that after passing the electric current to the water, first this hydrogen and oxygen gas are produced. Okay. Hydrogen produced, okay, doubled than the oxygen gas. Right. Please consider that activity 1.7. Please copy down this. Okay. Dear students, this is the second video of this one, revision of science chapter number 1. Okay, science chapter number 1. Today's topic is the decomposition reaction. Okay, please watch this video carefully. If you have any doubt or any confusion, please let me know. Okay, thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.